Hi, thank you everyone. This is Alex. I'm from the Sewpower and Red Sun. So we got two brands display in this exhibition. So one is a very professional knit garment sewing machine. Another is to make the machine upgrade. For these two brands, Sewpower is very professional in the knit garments. We have the very good and user-friendly interlock machine, flat seamer, which is also new here. For Red Sun, it is also the total solution for the old machine to make something new. So I hope these things for the Bangladesh major customer, they can have a better choice in the knit machinery to using our technology, to using of our more good design, as well as the Red Sun, they can save the cost and reduce the helper, as well as increase the production. This is these two brands in the last 3 years we joined the Garmentech, and definitely it is a very good exhibition. For sure in the future we will continuously to join. I hope that the exhibition can be more successful, and for us we can got all the brand advertisement. Thank you.